Good morning. Hi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. How is everyone?
We're doing good.
Good, 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 good.
Yes.
Hi, Amir. I'm so happy to hear your voice in the morning.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. At least he said something hard to me.
Ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Tell me.
Wait. Nothing, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
I just need you to wait, cause I'm doing something.
Okay, no problem. How are you, Zainab?
Fine.
Okay, good. And Amir, how are you? Hi. Hi. Is this the way of saying good morning? Hi. Oh, hi. Like this. Hi. Hmm? He put his video off. Hmm. Hi, Mushira Sayyad. Good morning.
Good morning.
Is okay, everything okay with you, Mushira Sayyad?
Yes.
You sound a bit low today.
Before this class, na, I went out, na. That's
You went out today?
yes.
Oh,
For the
okay.
class.
Oh, I see. You went out for classes.
After classes, I went out Gandhi Market for this class.
Okay, okay. Okay. Yeah, hi, Mushira Rizwani. Khadija, are you in your house, your little house?
No, it's my
Or your
blanket.
tent?
It's my blanket.
It's your blanket. Okay, I thought you were in your tent or your house.
It looks like a tent.
Yeah, it does look like a tent.
But I do have one pink tent.
Okay. So do you live in your tent sometimes?
Yeah.
Wow. Hi, Ali. How are you, beta?
Ma'am,
Morning.
Ma'am,
I did not see Ian. Where is Ian? I did not see Ian.
I think so. He is also now also he is on vacation.
Oh, he is on vacation. Oh my.
Ma'am, I want to tell you riddle.
Okay,
Good
okay.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning. Ma'am, how are you, ma'am?
I'm okay, beta. What about you?
I'm also fine, ma'am.
That's good to know. Nice.
Ma'am, I want to tell you a riddle.
Okay, quickly tell the riddle.
It starts as E and has a single letter in it. Darling.
Has what letter in it?
Calcutta, sorry, Calcutta. Has okay, it starts as E but has a single letter in it. It has a E but it has a
Mushfirat is one. Come on, think. Last time you had the previous one.
Muslim ma'am.
Ali, good morning, Mariam Khan. How are you, baby?
I am fine.
Okay, that's good to see you. We are wearing a similar t-shirt today, darling. Almost.
No, it's a frog. Ma'am, ma'am, the riddle is it starts with E and has a single letter in it.
My dear, I'm still thinking. Hold your horse.
Okay.
Please hold your horse.
Okay. Hi, ma'am.
Oh my goodness. One is in a blanket means everybody has to be in the blanket. Is it so? Yeah. Mushfira Sayyed, I cannot see you. Please remove that blanket. I want to see you properly.
Mushfira.
Okay.
I'm getting scared looking at you, Mushfira.
See me?
Yeah, I can see you now. No problem. Don't worry. Okay.
Is there is a hint? Is there is a hint?
There's a hint.
I can't think of a hint.
Oh.
It starts with E. It starts with E. And it has a single letter in it. Oh, you can.
Ali, it's okay. We don't need the blanket today in class. It's not so cold, darling. Please remove that blanket.
I think it's so cold.
You think it's so cold? Oh, don't think like that. It's not cold, my dear.
So cold.
You are in Mumbai. You are not in Kashmir. Or you are not in North India. You are in hot Mumbai. Okay. Mumbai is very hot.
I'm feeling so cold. I'm feeling.
If you are living in Delhi, maybe I would say okay, wear the blanket, but not in Mumbai, my dear. It is so hot. No. If it was cold, your mama would not keep the window open. Got you there. See. And itna dhoop hai bahar. See, there's so much sun outside your window.
Oh, see, there is so much cold. There's noise falling.
Get to the side. See, sun I can see. So hot it is.
I can't see the sun.
Mm-hmm.
It's not in Mumbai. It is not that much hot because sometimes it gets so cold. Ma'am, Amara. There is so cold.
Yes, Amara, what happened?
It's so cold. Ma'am, you're freezed. Ma'am,
You all are frozen, my dear, also.
It's freeze.
Yeah, I was frozen for a while. I won't deny I was frozen for some time. Amara, you have raised your hand. Yes, I'm going to ask Amara because she's raised her hand. Yeah, tell me what happened, baby.
Ma'am, Amara, I want to say something.
Yeah.
In Goa in winter time, is there cold in Goa?
It's, I wouldn't call it cold, but it's cool.
Oh.
It's cold.
You know, ma'am,
I
sometimes
go
in
to Mahabaleshwar. That time there is so
Ma'am.
cold.
Mahabaleshwar is a hill station, Ali. It's a hill station. It will be
it's
cold.
a mountain. It's a mountain.
Hill. It's a hill.
Ma'am, Darjeeling is so cold.
Yeah.
Darjeeling is so cold.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to say something that
Without
sometimes
jacket, we can't go. Ma'am, can I ask a riddle?
sometimes in Mumbai there is so cold. Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I ask a riddle?
Now it's also.
We have not answered Khadija's riddle.
Okay. Can I tell after Khadija?
Yeah, okay. And we are going to do some revision today, okay? I want to do some revision with you all.
Khatija, egg.
I want to see how much of us remember what we have done for so long, you know. That's why I want to do the revision.
Elephant. No. Do you give up? Okay. No, let's think now.
I don't know from where you all get such difficult riddles and come, you know.
Ma'am, you didn't answer my riddle.
And then you'll blow my brains in the class. You know, blow my
Do
brains.
you give up, guys? Do you give up?
Huh?
No,
Do you
I
give
don't
up?
give up.
Okay.
Yes, we give up.
Okay, we give up.
Okay, children, I think, you know, we should, I guess, just, you know,
Envelope. Ma'am, the answer is envelope. You have to write a letter. Write something in the letter.
okay, I just want to ask you some questions, okay, now related to the lesson. Hello, everybody suno. We are going to do.
Ma'am, Amara.
Ma'am, no Hindi.
Yes, no Hindi. But I have to say something to distract you all. No, only if I say something that is off track, then only you all will listen to me, right? That is why I have to.
No.
Ma'am, you didn't answer my riddle yesterday. I asked you.
My dear girl, I don't know the answer to your riddle.
Ma'am, can I ask my riddle?
Okay. What we'll do is the last 5 minutes of the class we will keep for the riddles. I want to do a revision.
Amara, I want to say something.
I'm not listening to anybody right now. We are doing the revision, okay? And finally.
Ma'am, after the revision, can I say my riddle?
Yes.
After the revision.
People who are going to say it's Zainab, Khadija, and Amara, and I don't know, Musfira Rizwani. Okay, 4 people. But the last 5 minutes of my class. But now I'm going to do a revision, and kindly please open your rabbit ears and listen, okay? Because I have to do this revision, okay? Otherwise in the exam, we don't know what we're going to write. Because 10 days we have had holiday, right? And I don't think so anybody has even looked at the book. How many of you have looked at your books? Tell me.
I looked at my books 100 times.
Very good. Oh, Zainab looked 100 times. Wow, I'm so proud of you. Khadija looked at her book. Amara, did you look at your book in the holidays? Oh my, Musfira Rizwani, did you? No, see, just writing her fingers. Oh, Musfira Said also did. Ali is like, I'm going to be at the side. I did not even look at my book, huh? Huh?
Ma'am, did you check my homework? I put it.
I'm checking everybody's everything. Don't worry, I will check it.
Ma'am, which homework? Which homework?
You had to complete some things in the book, right?
I did it yesterday only and I submitted.
Please check your Google Classrooms, okay? All right. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to just revise, okay? Now, can anyone tell me what is the name of the villain in the book Run for It, Ruby? Who knows the answer? Raise your hand.
Hawk Tata.
You have to raise your hand. I will ask you. Amir, what is the name of the villain?
William Hawk Tata.
Hawk Tutor. Amir, can you say that answer in a sentence, please?
The villain in the story. The name of the villain in the story is Hawk Tata.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. The next question is, how do we know that Clarice and Betty want to read more books of Ruby Redford? Yes, Musfira Sayyad.
Because in the between they say that
Oh,
they say that they want they hope us that they like their stories.
okay, good. Zainab, can you add to that? Where is Zainab?
There is also one more sentence that
Zainab, can you say that answer? How do we know that Clarice and Betty want to read more books of Ruby Redford? How do we know?
Because in the middle part they
Sweetie, in a sentence, please answer the question in a sentence. Never start an answer with because, please.
Okay. In the Ruby Redford, Betty and Clarice wrote a letter to the author that they wanna read more books of Ruby Redford
series. Very good, Zainab. Excellent. Okay. Okay. What did Roald like about his school? What did Roald like about his school? Can anyone tell me? Yes, Musfira Rizwani.
The teachers.
Yes, very good. The masters were very good. Excellent. Khadija, what did you like about the school?
He liked the sentence. Roald Dahl liked the teachers in his school.
Very good. And what did he dislike? What did he dislike? Amara?
There were no springs in the bed.
Very good. There were no springs in the bed. Okay. Now, can you tell me what do you call a place where you buy stamps or you post a letter? What do you call it? Ali, what do you call it, Ali? Mariam Khan, please start your video. Don't put your video off. We are doing revision. Mariam Khan and Ryan. If you don't start your videos, I'm going to put you in the waiting room. Please start your videos. Ali?
Yes.
What is a place where you buy stamps or you post a letter? What is that place called? Is it air mail or called a post office? What is it?
We call it post office.
Post office. Okay.
Oh, say that.
Okay. Why does woman too keep making mistakes in her weaving? Amir? Amir? Yes, Amir?
Because there is no more sunlight.
Yes, because there is no Sunlight, no more sunlight. So she makes weaving. Okay. Why does the village elder think that Maui will help? Hmm. I ask. Zainab.
Because he did lots of brave things, and he was very honest about if this could happen or not.
Yes, very good. He'd achieved a lot of things, right? Good. Who am I going to ask, Amara?
Maui is strong. He gets nice ideas.
Yeah, he gets nice ideas. Good. Okay. Who I'll ask now? Ali.
Answer in a sentence.
Ali, I want to ask you, Ali. The question for you is, I'm asking Ali, everybody listen. Open your rabbit ears, okay? I know everybody has rabbit ears, so open them and listen.
I don't have one.
No, you'll have. See, these ears you'll have. No, these ears have to be.
Can you buy me one?
Sorry?
I'll have a rabbit ears. Can you buy me one so I'll have a rabbit ears?
Oh, you want me to buy you one? Okay, I'll buy you one. Nice, two big rabbit ears, okay? So that we can listen like a rabbit in your school. Okay, okay.
Ma'am,
So now we can just have imaginary ones, yeah, just imaginary ones, like like rose.
I can take a hairband. I can take a hairband of rabbit ears. I'll buy one next for the next class.
My dear darling, don't trouble your parent to buy anything, okay? It's okay. We can.
I have my own pocket money.
Why do you want to waste your pocket money? Keep it for something better, my darling.
I already have a lot of pocket money for my watch.
Oh, I see. So keep it for your watch. You can buy a better watch with that. Okay.
I have two pocket monies. I have two pocket monies. One I'm saving for the hairband and the other for the watch.
I'm coming. I only drink water.
Do you know something? A penny saved is a penny earned. Have you heard this saying ever in your life?
What?
A penny saved is a penny earned.
Ma'am, Amara.
Mm-hmm.
On your own money, you have to save it.
Yes, you have to save it. See, sometimes in our life, children, you need to listen to this. This is important. This is also like a life skill. And since I teach you life skills, I think I should bring this point for you all. Remember, children, in life, there are two things. There are needs and there are wants. Okay? Needs is something which is very important for you. It's like if you don't have it, you cannot function. That's a need. A want is something that you don't need, but you want it. Like, for example, at present now, you need a phone and you need internet connection and you need your ears to listen, right? These are your needs. If you don't have it, you can't function. But that hairband or something, it's not important, but you want it. So always in life, distinguish what are your wants and what are your needs. If you can distinguish what are your needs, you'll be more happy, my children. Okay?
Ma'am, what are you teaching about? Did you give the question?
I was just telling about wants and needs. When we have money, children, when we have money, sometimes we go and buy a lot of things that we want to accumulate. There are certain things which we need. So when I was saying a penny saved is a penny earned, what do I mean by this? I mean that you can save that money that you have and you can buy something in the future that you need. Like Musfira said, needs a watch. It's a need. Why?
Want a hairband, so I will not get the hairband. I'll get the watch. You mean like that?
Exactly. You can get a much better watch, my darling. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Look.
no mean like
Zainab is saying no.
some money.
Yeah.
Then waste your money, bring your money more and more.
Always remember, children, your thinking has to be high. If your thinking is high, no, I mean, sorry for saying the word no, you don't say no when you speak. When your thinking is high,
Ma'am,
everything will fall in place. Always have high thinking and simple living.
I have this big box filled with all money. It's full
Okay.
of
So see,
I'm still saving it.
that's how it should be. Because you don't know in the future when that money can be useful to you. So,
And my sister also has.
always
My
remember,
eldest
have
sister
high
has.
thinking. This is a motto you should live by. Have high thinking, okay, and simple living. You will be happy at the end of the day. Okay? All right.
Okay.
Yeah. So now,
Ma'am, Amara. Ma'am, I didn't understand a word.
so
Ma'am,
you didn't
Amara.
understand what I said. You didn't understand.
Ma'am, I did. Ma'am, Amara, I want to say something.
Yes, Amara, say.
This word I didn't understand what I'm saying.
Muslim, you didn't understand.
I understand, but Amara saying that. What did you say? I didn't understand.
Okay, so who understood what I said? Can somebody
I'm
repeat?
not saying about that. I want to say something else.
Okay.
And Khadija, I want to say something too.
Okay, Amara, say what you had to say quickly.
I want some new toys. I will not waste the money on toys. I'll bring some new books like cursive capital letters. I don't know cursive. I will take cursive writing tracing book instead
Yes,
of that expensive toys.
exactly. Now, this is what you call intelligence. You know, an intelligent person will do this. Why? Because you are wanting to improve in a particular thing. You get those toys. What do you get? Just 1 or 2 days, you're going to hug them and you're going to hold them. Right? I'm not saying you need toys. Even I have toys. Till today, I have toys. You can see my toy behind over there, that doggy over there. It's my toy. Okay, I love them. But I'm not going to go and buy more now, and waste my money. But rather, as Amara said, I would waste, not waste, but buy some good books, something that is going to help me intellectually, in my mind, or help me to become a
That is
better
going to
person.
help you in life. That is going to help you in life.
Yes, that is going to help me in life. Okay.
Anyways, let's get to the revision back. Enough
Yeah,
discussion.
enough, Musfira Sayyed. But I hope you got my point. And remember what I said.
Yes. Forget about that.
No, you can't forget about it, my dear. You can't remember this for life. Remember this for life. It's like a life skill, okay? Not everybody has it, my dear. Not everybody has it.
Ma'am, Khadija, I want to say something.
Yeah, Khadija, say.
Yeah, when we get to have some money, we should save it. Like when I get the money, I save it for something else that my mom and dad like. They sometimes they ask me for. Let's get back to the lesson, please, mom. So then I give them. So that's how I use my money. And sometimes
Yes.
I don't have any snacks and I'm hungry, so I go get some.
Yeah. That's good. That's very good, Khadija. I'm very proud of you. And I'm proud of Hamara also because she told me a very nice thing. And even Zainab, I'm very proud of. Mushfira Sayed also, I'm very proud of you because you have understood the point. Okay. And in the end, you will be happy. Okay. Mariam Khan, I have a question for you.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you ready for your question, Mariam Khan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You are asking Ali, right?
Yeah, I was asking Ali, see, and I forgot. I was asking Ali. Thank you, Zainab, for reminding me. And Ali ran away. See how he is. He ran away. Ali, come back. The question is for you now. And after that, Mariam can't be ready, huh?
Then what about me? Never.
Maui, remember, children, listen. We are all listening to the question now. Maui says he had a big bite when he was fishing. What do you think this means?
Me.
Ali is answering, children.
Can you repeat again?
Yeah, of course. Maui says he had a big bite when he was fishing. What do you think this means?
It's me.
If he can't ask the answer, give me.
He take a big bite in the in the pool. Means the fish. He take a big bite of fish.
Me.
What?
Me, Khadija. Me, Zainab.
It
Ali?
means
Zainab.
Took a big bite of a fish.
no, not a fish. The food.
Which food?
No. Me.
What am I hearing?
No, me. Zainab, please, just let me do it once.
Ali!
I want to say. Me.
Ali, I want you to listen as Khadija is saying the answer. Khadija, please say the answer.
Maui got a big bite because he got a big fish on the hook and he tried pulling it, but the big fish, the hooker, it bited his hand. Me, Zainab. Me, Zainab. Let me try. At least let me try a little.
Okay, Zainab. Zainab, you try.
He thinks he got a big fish. He just assumes. Got a big.
What is meaning of big bite?
Amir, can you say the answer? Good, Zainab.
Then what is meaning of big bite?
Amir, what's the answer?
He's telling that it's bigger than my hand.
Amira,
Fish.
Maui says that he had a big bite when he was fishing. What do you think this means, Amir?
When he was fishing, the fish bite him.
The fish bite him?
Ma'am, can I share Mushfira Reswani?
Yeah, Mushfira Rizwani, please say the answer.
She was
I may die of a heart attack now. Yeah.
She was thinking that I got a big fish.
Very good. It means he caught a big fish.
Because the sun was not there, he was thinking he got a really big fish.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's the answer.
And then she thought
It doesn't mean, Ali, that he had a big bite on the boat. It didn't mean that he ate anything. And Khadija, the fish did not bite him. Please. And Amir also, the fish did not bite him.
And she was thought that I got a bigger than my hand.
Yeah, that was when he was exaggerating. Yes.
I didn't tell you. He did the boat, yeah.
Imagining.
While fishing only.
Ma'am, Amara, can I say it in a sentence?
I think in the Christmas holidays, we didn't even look at the book. Yes, tell me.
I did. I looked at it 100 times and I told her answer. I'm not frozen.
I know, Zainab. I'm not referring to you. Please.
I got answer.
Yeah, Khadija. What does it mean? A big bite?
Ma'am, Amara, can I say in a sentence?
Yes, Amara. Please say.
The sunlight was not there. Maui thought he grabbed the fish, and the fish was also very small, and he thought, and the sunlight also was not there, and he thought the fish is bigger than my hand.
But what is the meaning? He caught a big bite. What is the meaning of that?
Ma'am, I don't understand the question. Meaning of this is that he is saying.
Guys, please explain. Zainab and Musfira have understood the question. Please explain it to Khadija. Zainab is explaining. Okay, Musfira is explaining.
Yeah.
Okay, please explain it.
He thought that I catch a bigger fish bigger than my hand. She was imagining that.
Yeah. But now this saying, that he had a big bite.
Can I?
Yeah. Yes, Zainab.
A big bite means that he didn't have a big bite of the fish. He had a big fish.
Very good. He had a big fish. It didn't mean he had a big bite of the fish, but he caught a big fish. Okay.
Big bite of the fish. She was she was you tell that one you big bite of the fish.
It doesn't. Musfira Rizwani, no, he didn't have a big bite of the fish. Zainab just said it. He did not have a big bite of the fish.
Yes,
He caught a big fish.
She was saying that he didn't have a big bite of the fish. She got confused, right?
So, not a big bite.
I understand.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can we go to the next question?
Yes, we will go. 1 second. So, has everybody answered this question? I'm going to ask somebody else now in my class. Mariam Khan. Mariam Khan.
Yes,
Hello, Mariam Khan. You have to answer now, my darling. I hope you are ready for the answer. Eh?
Yeah.
Because you are very quiet in my class, so now you have to answer in my class, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, so which one am I going to give Mariam Khan? Should I give her a tough one or should I give her an easy one?
Tough.
I'm going to give her a very tough one.
Mammy, don't sound like a witch. You sound very funny.
Yes, you don't sound like a witch. No, you don't sound like a witch. You sound like a funny. Your voice is not like a witch. So don't try.
Okay, I'm sorry about that. All right.
But that was quite fun for entertaining.
Look at me, ma'am. Can you do this?
I was just trying to, raise Mariam Khan's heartbeat, but I don't think her heartbeat is fast. It is quite slow. She's smiling and she's quite easy. Okay. So give one reason why Roald is writing to his mother.
So easy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Why did you say that? Oh, let her think. I understand.
Put your thinking cap on, my darling.
Can
But
you
I have
repeat the question again?
Of course, I can repeat the question again. What do you mean? Give one reason why Roald is writing to his mother. Give
have a
one
guess?
reason why Roald is writing to his mother.
This is his test. What will she do? Oh.
Zainab. No.
Ma'am.
Masfura Rizwani, please, I beg of you, don't say anything.
I'm not
Seal
saying. I'm saying.
mouth, seal your mouth. Amir, Khadija, Amara, seal your mouth. Zainab, seal them. Only Mariam is going to open her mouth and speak. Mariam Khan, you don't have to seal your mouth. You're supposed to answer. Khulja, same. Chalo.
No Hindi. Because he has to say something to his mother, so he's writing a letter.
He has to say something to his mother. What he has to say, my dear?
I don't know.
I'm a small kitty.
Mariam Khan, you don't know? What is this answer?
He wants to say hi to his mother.
What?
Give me that. Can you repeat the question? Give me.
Okay, give me the chance.
Because he wanted to say something to his mother. What answer is this, Mariam Khan?
I can say that.
Ma'am, you became too emotional.
I'm really getting emotional because the assessment is in 2 weeks and Mariam Khan is saying he wanted to say something to his mother.
Give me.
Mariam Khan, I'm telling you, in the next class, you are going to revise everything, the 2 lessons that we have just done. Okay? Keep in touch and sharing cultures. Unit 5 and Unit 6, you are going to revise all the answers and I'm going to ask you next week.
Give me, please. I'm begging you. Give me. Please.
Zainab, Wednesday.
Because he wrote that the springs are not there and I need the stamps so he can do bargaining. Like if he wants the bottle, so he can give the stamp and he can take the bottle.
Okay, very good, Khadija.
He wrote a letter so that he can say something about his school and he might need some.
Mariam Khan, I want to see you in my class. Please don't play hide and seek.
And he also got what we call that, a jersey for his football.
Ali, can you tell me why did Roald write to his mother?
You were telling me.
I know, Khadija, you answered already. Ali?
No. I didn't do my full answer. Can you repeat the question again? I didn't do my full answer,
You know,
ma'am.
children, I really like when you say, can you repeat the question again? What am I doing for so long in the class?
The voice is not coming. It's coming. Why? Which background is?
Khadija, can you tell Ali what is the question?
Ali, the question is, give a reason why did Roald Dahl write a letter to his mom?
Not why.
Why?
Give reason.
No.
Give reason. Give one reason why Roald is writing to his mother.
He loves to send post letters to his mom.
He loves to send post letters to his mom.
No. He loves putting. He loves to buy stamps.
Mariam Khan is thinking. She doesn't know, but she's thinking. And Ali loves to send letters to the mother.
Zainab, you are so funny.
What?
You said that
What is this answer? Ali and Mariam Khan. Mariam Khan, you don't know the answer. What you're doing like this, like this? Huh? What is this? Tell me.
They were to exchange a stamp.
I think I'll have to speak to Ali's mother and Mariam Khan's mother now. On a serious note, I'll have to send a special note to them.
A golden note. A special golden
A
note.
special golden note, exactly. Mariam Khan, I'm going to ask Christina ma'am for your mother's number. And I'm going to talk to her on the phone. And I'm going to talk to her on the phone and I'm going to tell her a lot of beautiful things about Mariam Khan in class. And Ali's mother also I'm going to talk to. And I'm going to tell some beautiful things about you too. Yeah? I am giving you till Tuesday. Tuesday we are going to meet again, right? By next Tuesday, I'm going to post the syllabus in the Google Classroom. Okay, you all know chapter 5 and 6 we are going to do. Okay?
Let's go to the next question.
Children, we have to end the class now. It's 10:46. No, now no riddle time. No riddle time. Ali and Mariam Khan don't know anything in the lesson. So they have to come and do it.
One riddle.
Otherwise, see now children, whoever is not prepared with the answer, no, that child is going to get a golden note to the parent, as Zainab said. A nice golden note. Okay? With a lot of goldy things.
Ma'am, you made a mistake.
How?
You said to Mariam that I read a lot of beautiful things about you. But you said to Ali that I read again the same thing. It had to actually be handsome things about you. You forgot that.
Okay. Well, you know, I'm just trying to be nice, you know. But in my assessment, if you don't do well, then I may not be very nice, you know. So if you want to see the good side of your darling teacher, then you better be good in my exam, okay?
When that bite one question, so everybody was saying he. We want to say she, but everybody was saying he.
No.
Mavi was he's a man.
Exactly, he's a man, so it's a he. Anyway, you still have 1 week. Tuesday, we are going to do the entire revision. Entire revision, okay?
Okay, I'll enjoy that.
You have to be prepared with all the grammar and everything. Otherwise, a golden note is going to the parent. Okay?
I'll get all the gold, ma'am, and then I'll buy so many things with the gold.
Yes.
I'll sell the gold and I'll get so many things.
That golden note which I will be giving, it will not allow you to buy anything.
No,
It's a special golden note to the parents.
The queen gave you this note, and then everyone will take it.
Yeah.
And then I'll get lots of.
I have doubts whether I don't think Zainab, Muskia, Rizwani, Khadija, Amir, Amara and Sayyed are going to get it. I'm worried about Ali and Mariam Khan, that they too may get the golden note. So, you know, kindly please pay attention to yourselves, okay? And be ready.
Ma'am, I don't have a bunny ear, so I don't have a good ear, right?
No, you have a very good ear. Zainab, you do very well in my assessment, please. Okay?
Thank you so much. You want an autograph?
My homework, please.
No, it was just actually a warning for Ali and Mariam Khan, to be honest, okay? That they should be ready with what we are doing. You have to be prepared with Unit 5 and Unit 6, okay?
You heard it?
You better hear it. Bye and take care. I love you all.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
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 Give me the golden letter, okay?
Definitely, sweetheart. Definitely. Bye.